Ndizi TV ubwansu bw'omugusi.
Kitariki 14 omutienyi no gatano omwaka w'ekirubere nemerongo ebere nainye na mange abera kwenekigwa imense ekyo ya Kenya ase abamenyi be wodi elia ibeno babeire bakomerana ase karo kyabagikorawa nomo MC Benseme yo Steve Arikane nomono kumulekera amangana alengete okoborwa gwestima ase ensemo eyo boigonigo muraibwense Dr. William Ruto abeire gakora egeikaro bose omoyega obogotiania abanachi ebina na boigo abawakili baba okinigwa ekerengo wikira ase kerengo keriye korokwa senior council oboigo na mange agendrete imechinsemo ase boige kiama keriye gya ODM kyabere korwa ogosira gochia ase aba Kenya nigo yaragire chinsa isano na ibere cyabono mugaso iriterane nkorokwa Job Maangi na okonekinga tibichechi oboigo na Mariogi abera wikira ase nchera yoboikera nunsara momanyi kinga nkonyorole amangana wetera asenchera yomonwa weimanyererio Lydia Mose kwera nande asika getere tambe meko bamanya narali aberega gwate korwa kete chinza cha mambi goikera bono mugaso. Omancho murelia Ndizi TV na bakwenda otobuati ya wetera asenchera yo mtandao o Facebook Ndizi TV News Digital asensemere YouTube Ndizi TV News wetera somtandao ito o www.ndizitv.net inyoranga boigo na bwakera Ndizi TV ase amameranio akuza awards asogotoma erieta kuza ase namba ayemo isanemo enoti ayemo na gwakera Ndizi TV buna stationi area bwanchete amayeni gotwachaka asengana ngete ogocha komentwa kwebango maiga ebirengereryo korwegwa anene mono ase ogochi komentwa kwebango ase binto ane mono buna endagera enga omugati ekigari naboigo chisimi chiko bachiko gorwa nigo abarai abaganda tekorwa ebirengereryo byabo ababwango mono gwesokya nomo governor oliabwe county area ya Machakos nomo konyo ye Peter Mwangangi omo governor wensemo eyoni gakorwa wavinya wandeti asabira wesokya na kugikelia ebirengereri biganetie ego chigokora amoncherero asensemo yomuswada wechibesa na komenta ebango asebinto abuno mugati kigali naboigo ebinto birengete okugorwa abuna kisimi asabira tebanga nigo birachikoba omusigo omunene ase abakenya bono nigo babero usaba esekerekali kuligerelia enganeye ase oboime na kwene kingambali bekera abakenya omusigo orachikobo omolito mono ekero chingaki baenderete gwetera amakongu amange buna etoigo imense yaito ya Kenya.
It's becoming too much. Sasa zile sheria zimetoka. Watu wa bodaboda wamepewa 10%. Those are the hustlers. Hao ni wale watu wa chini. Sasa tukianza kuongeza hizo koti zote, watu wetu wataenda wapi? Mimi kama gavana wa Machakos, kutoka nianze, nikuwe gavana, hata siwezi kuongeza koti, siwezi. Because huko juu ikiongezwa, na huku chini nikiongeza, watu wangu watakufa. Na ndio mimi nawaambia watu wa Machakos, ile pesa kidogo yetu tuko nayo tunalipa ya koti. Tulipe tu, mimi sitaongeza. Sitaongeza na usipatie mtu cash.
Wale hasla wa chini, wale watu wa chini ambao they woke up at 6 kwenda kutupigia kura. Ikiwa ndio wanasaidika pakubwa na bodaboda, alafu unakuja unaongeza, where do you leave the country? Number 2 on taxation. Hizi simu zetu sarununu kodi imeenda juu, hata kutuma pesa imeenda juu. Hao si matajiri wanatumia simu hizi zile nyingi zinatumiwa na wananchi wa Kenya, wale tunajiita common people. Sasa tukiongezewa hiyo kodi, jamani, where is it going to leave us as a county and as a country? Hiyo maneno tuombe.
Togosikabucio asengana erengete mbure nyingi abirego tuwa chinsemo au nigo kiama keria kia ODM kia berege kurua ogosira gochia ase aba Kenya bali babeire bakonyora ogwakwa nembura enyinge ne toigo ase chinsemo bakorau na bakonyi babanyakerogo ime kiama keria kia ODM oyole oyo kabeire omugavana omokorogwe county area Kakamega Wycliffe Ambetsa Paranya na boigo oyo kabeire omugavana we county area ya Mombasa Hassan Joho, omo senator we county area ya Migori Eddie Okech negati yabaraibande niko babawikerana ase amagacha manene ekyame kyona kobwatoka endagera enyinge eyurabege koruwegwa abuna ogosira gochia saba Kenya ababeire bakonyora ogwa kamba watebanga enganeye na sengenjo babwate okugania okuya kolende tali asengencho ya kisiasa.
Ladies and gentlemen, this is a great day for us when we are starting the distribution of the food and non-food items, and as we have said, we will be in Nairobi from tomorrow, and likely next week we'll be moving to other parts of the country. It is very important that we use such a professional body like Red Cross, and thank you very much, Red Cross, for responding. We have not come here for politics, as said before by my colleagues. We are here to help everybody that is affected. When we go to Mathare, we will not be looking at this is an ODM supporter, this is an ODM supporter. We are going to help people who are affected as much as
Togosikabucio nigo omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto abagakora ogotiani gwa kwabanachi ebina ase nyomba yoburaiboigo nomoyega obagokwenekinga abawakili bali babere bagwikirania ekerengo keigoro nigo babakwegwa ogotiani gwa nakoba aba senior council imense ya icho ya Kenya. Omuraibwense Dr. William Ruto nigo abagakurwa era gochikogendera gosira ekikambiro linekwenekinga ngoikirani bale obokoleri bwabo buna ebwenrete ase gochikomenta budget ejuera bege kwenanwa gochia ase bigambiro na kwenekinga aba Kenya bonsi gochikwenyorera bale obwene na boigo konyora chinga kichinyororo chinga kichiria bakurwanirira obwene bwabo.
And to the best of my knowledge and ability, protect, administer, and defend this constitution with a view to upholding the dignity and the respect for the judiciary and the judicial system of Kenya.
We shall not hesitate to make our contribution to the enhancement of the judiciary's capacity to deliver justice in every part of Kenya, especially through support for infrastructure and other development requirements of our judiciary. To support these efforts, we have increased our budgetary allocation to sectors combating corruption and promoting justice and accountability since 2022-2023 financial year, from Kenya shillings 87 billion to Kenya shillings 108 billion in the current financial year. Some of these resources contribute to the judiciary's infrastructure development, including construction of courts, staff recruitment, and capacity building for law enforcement agencies. I am happy that the establishment of small claims courts across the country has brought justice closer to the people and resulted in a significant increase in the number of resolved cases. I commend
Togoska bosio totikaliti ansengane yonigo omurai bwense Dr. William Ruto abaga kobolia abanachi ebi na okora emirimo yabo kobwatekana nechira baba kolina kobwatia erichiko naboigo naba kobasaba gwetanga namangana yobokurumi naboigo amangana arabega kwirania emirimo eria yekegambero maiga sabate banga amamocho angabuna yunigo abarawa kwena kinga bantu bari gutwara okwegena nekegambero asaba kobasaba baba okora emerebo yabo asenchira ere yobo ikiranu naboigo obwegenwa.
Corruption, even the slightest hint of it, irreversibly compromises the authority and effectiveness of our courts and all our institutions. To accord Kenyans the full promise of our Constitution, each one of you must remain alive to Articles 10 and 159 of the Constitution, as well as the solemn oath you have taken today. Your devotion to these mandates and undertakings and your commitment to diligently serve the people of Kenya and to do justice to them without fear, favor, bias, affection, ill will, prejudice, or any political, religious, or other influence, as I heard each and every one of you say, will make the difference between progress and failure, freedom and tyranny, and prosperity and destitution for the people of our beloved nation. Judges, ladies and gentlemen, and my good friends, advocates, I wish you success as you embark on serving the people of Kenya. May their yearnings for freedom and justice inspire you to give your best every day. Thank you very much.
Mwanchumulilia Ondizi TV oroboti urumurai bwense no tujuikira amwelio bwamangana amajiretera nenkuru kwa Job Maangi na wabaga kwene kinga chibichechi boigo na maliogi awera wikira asenchira yo wikira nunsara momanyo wabaga kwene kinga kunyorori amangana wetera asenchira yomunua wemanyererio Lydia Mose kone ndo kunyolinga gendra gwakera Ndizi TV buneke station kelia abwanchete na bora abego gwakera Ndizi TV wetera asogotuma enamba SMS wetera asena namba ya 15601 eliyetumeli takuza ase namba ya AMO Isano Isanemo Enoti AMO na gwakera Ndizi TV una ETV elia bwanchete wekera buno tochwekera amweru mwangana maya na abaka neiri obuliriya obuya imya Ndizi TV nabwo obwansu bumugusi.